Awesome! I can't wait to ride the bike. I guess the battery's dead.
Let's go look for a battery. On the Harley website, 2017 Road Glide Ultra. Whoa, that's really expensive. 175 bucks for a battery? Nah, too much. All right, let's get that battery. All right, Amazon, find the battery, buy it now. Whoa, that was fast. If you'd like to support the channel, we have t-shirts available for you in the link below. Let's move further. This is the battery, and the cool thing about this battery is that it comes with the acid separately. So you're not going to get a battery that's, you know, been sitting on the shelf for like 3-4 months just kind of sitting there discharging, you know. So let's take this seal off to expose the cells. And here is the battery acid, which comes separate. And let's see, tear this baby open. Now just be careful, this stuff is very corrosive. So if anything is spilled, you know, don't open it. Yeah, and wash your hands. We're gonna pull this sealing cap off. And don't mess this up because you're gonna be reusing this to seal the battery. Flip it upside down. And the electrolytes push evenly, and now the electrolyte should be flowing. Now that all the electrolyte has been absorbed in the battery, we can remove the cap, and we will just put it back in that container. Then we'll take the cap, the sealing cap. Now this is not a maintenance battery, this is a sealed battery, but we are, you know, so don't ever remove this after we cap this. And line it all up. Lights are pushing from the inside to the outside. Then it's all even. Now that the battery is full of electrolyte and sealed, we have to wait 1 hour before we can charge it. Wow, you can tell that it's really warm. There's definitely a chemical reaction going on in there. We have given the battery about an hour for electrolyte absorption, and now we're going to charge it. The manufacturer does recommend a charger of max 2 amps. Not too bad, already at 12.5 volts. The battery's been on charge overnight, and now that it's full, we can proceed with the installation. Alright, now we can start removing the battery. Just move the ECU to the side. You can always look at your service manual. Every bike's a little different. Always remove the negative terminal first, so that way there's less chance of you shorting out the positive when you're trying to remove that. So remove the negative first, and then also install the negative last. Okay, that was a little more difficult, but we got it. Positive, negative. These are my additional trailer hitch lights wiring that you see. That was kind of the hard part, but those nuts do have to go underneath those little U terminals, and you gotta watch out because sometimes they will fall out. There is a plastic backing piece on this side, but in my case, the positive one, I was kind of fighting it falling out this way, as the bike is kind of tilted towards the left when it's on its kickstand. But let's put the seat back on and see if it works. And now we're gonna see if it runs.
Okay, got that.
Turn the main thing on first.
All right, we're gonna start this. Fuel pump is primed. Go that, and here we go.
Perfect.